Less than 5. Let's keep it nice and clean at the tone.
Everybody's in. Alright guys, the order is Dennis, Jason, Rick, Brady, Cliff, and Troy. Your fast lap is a 17.374 by Jason. Jason is on an 18 lap pace, Dennis on a 17 lap pace, Rick on a 17 lap pace, Cliff on a 15 lap pace, Troy on a 14 lap pace, and Brady on a 12 lap pace. Dennis is 6 seconds behind Jason.
left.
3 minutes left, and the order is Jason, Rick, Dennis, Cliff, Troy, and Brady. The fast lap is a 17.195 for Jason. Up next we have Short Course Buggy A Main. This is race 8 out of 10. You heard it, 2 minutes left, and the order is Jason, Rick, Dennis, Troy, Cliff, and Brady. Jason is on a 18 lap pace, Rick on a 16 lap pace, Dennis on a 16, Troy on a 15, Cliff on a 15, and Brady on a 14 lap pace. Terry, can you get the, I'm just going to grab my car.
Yeah. I'd like to. 1 minute to go. I got Jason, Dennis, Rick, Grady, Troy, and Cliff. Coming up on 10 seconds to go. Jason Heitman still your leader. Jason, Dennis, and Rick. Help him out. There we go.
5 fingers down.
Dennis, you're done. Grady, you're done.
5 fingers down.
Rick, you're done.
5 fingers down.
Troy, you're done. Jason, you're done.
5, 6,
All right, that's a race.